Hi dears, observe this question. Very interesting. SBI PO mains. Understand the question properly first. A vessel contains 2.5 liters water and 10 liters of milk. Okay, fine. 20% of the contents of the vessel are removed. Okay, fine. Actually, we have 2.5 liters water and as well as 10 liters milk, right? Total 12.5 liters mixture is there. From that mixture, we need to remove 20% content. Content means what? Both. All together. Means milk plus water mixture value is there, right? That should be removed. How much percentage? 20%. Okay, fine. Removed. Okay. To the remaining content, X liters of water is added to reverse the ratio of water and milk. Okay, fine. Actually, we'll have 12.5 liters total mixture. In that mixture, we'll have 2.5 liters water and 10 liters milk. I need to remove 20% content. Content means what? Mixture. So, mixture has to remove. After that, what we need to do? So, we need to add only water. We need to add only water to make the ratios reverse. To make the ratios reverse means first of all, we need to find the original ratio, right? If I know the original ratio, then only I can decide the reverse story. Yes or no? The basic concept. Okay, fine. After that, what happened? To the reverse the ratio of water and milk, then the y liters of milk is added. Again, to reverse the ratio of water and milk, find y. Okay, we need to do 2 times reverse. First of all, I'll go for the general approach. Don't confuse. The first point is what? The ratio is very important. First of all, he has given the water value. Water is what? 2.5 liters water. 10 liters will be milk. Water is to milk. This is a original ratio. What is the ratio? 2.5 is to 10 means what? According to quantity, 2.5 liters and 10 liters. But if you go for ratio concept, it will be 1 time and 4 times. Yes, the original ratio is what? 1 is to 4. Water will be 1 part, milk will be 4 parts. Okay, fine. This is the present ratio. But we need to make reverse. Okay, fine. Actually, how much mixture should be removed from the total content? 20% mixture, right? 20% means what? 2.5 plus 10 means total 12.5 liters will be there. From this 12, don't confuse. From this 12.5 mixture, I need to remove 20%. 20%. Before removing, ratio is 1 is to 4. After removing 20%, then what will be the remaining content? Of course, 20% removed. Whatever the remaining worth, it will be 80%, right? That is that the total worth is 100%. From that 100%, I will remove 20%. Then whatever the remaining worth, 80% worth, right? 80% worth is nothing but logically 125 means what? 25 4s are 25 5s are. 4s are 5 times. 0 point gone, right? I said 5 8s are. 5 8s are 40. 40 by 4 means what? 10. Yes. This is a present mixture of milk and water. Original mixture is what? 2.5 plus 10, 12.5 liters. Presently, we have only 10 liters. So what? 20% mixture is removed. Mixture means what? Content is removed. That's why there is no change in ratio. Ratio will be constant. Why? Because we are not removing only water and individual milk. We are removing the mixture. That's why no change in ratio. Ratio will be 1 is to 4 only. Before removing, 1 is to 4. After removing in these 10 liters, again it will be 1 is to 4. Logically 1 is to 4 means what? 5 parts value is 10 liters. According to the ratio, how many liters will be there here? 1 part. 5 parts 10 liters. 1 part will be 2 liters water will be there. Don't confuse. 8 liters milk will be there. This is a basic idea. Okay. Again, what we need to do? I need to make it reverse. The ratio should be now reversed. Okay. It should be now 4 is to 1. So water should be 4 parts. Milk should be 1 part. In this case, we need to add only water, right? What is asking? X liters of water should be added. Okay, fine. We can add water, but there is no change in milk, right? We are adding only water. Second case, we are adding only water. That's why no change in milk. Yes or no? Yeah. That's why I need to equate milk part. That's it. Here we have 4 parts. That's why I need to equate milk part. Why? Because we are adding only water. That's why I need to equate milk. Okay, 4 ones are 4. 4 4 is 16. Yes. 16 parts is to 4 parts. This is present ratio. Forget about this one. This is present ratio, accurate ratio. Okay. Observe the difference in water. 1 part is becoming 16 parts. But no change in milk, right? Why? Because we are adding only water. That's why we need to equate milk part. That's it. Good. Now 1 part is becoming 16 parts according to water concept. 1 part is becoming 16 parts. Logically 15 parts increased. 15 parts increased means what? Logically 15 parts, 2 parts, 1 part worth is 2 liters. 15 parts will be 30 liters, right? 1 part worth is 2 liters. 16 parts will be 32 liters. Logically 30 liters increased. Fine. The present worth of water will be 32 liters. Is it clear? The present worth of water will be 32 liters after adding 30 liters water. Clear cut story. Then what about milk? No change in milk. Milk always constant value. That is what 8 liters. Here 4 parts worth is 8 liters. That is what milk. Water will be 32. Milk will be 8 liters. This is second case. But from now what we need to do? Very interesting task. What we need to do? Again I need to add only milk, not water. We need to add only milk to make the reverse ratio as reverse. First time reverse. Again second time we need to do reverse. Okay, reverse means it can become 4:16, right? Okay, water should be 4 parts, milk should be 16 parts. In this case what we need to do? We need to add only milk, not water. Only milk. Of course, 16:4 should be 4:16. Clear cut story. What is the previous ratio? This is the previous ratio, right? 16:4. Now it should be 4:16. This is second case. Don't confuse all of you. Yes, water and milk. In this case, what we are increasing? Here we are increasing only milk. That's why I need to equate water part. Simple concept. That's why I need to multiply the 4 table, right? Multiply by 4 table, 4 4s are 16, 4 16s are, yes, 64. Got it. Okay, 4 parts becoming 64 parts. How many parts increased? 60 parts of milk should be increased. But don't confuse. Why we are equating water part? Why? Because we are adding only milk. That's why I need to equate water part. This is wrong ratio. This can be a present ratio, right? 16 will be common. So yes, we have idea. 4 parts worth is what? 8 liters. But I am going to get 60 extra liters. That is in milk. Okay, fine. 4 parts worth is 8 liters. 60 parts will be what? 4 parts worth is given as what? 8 liters. No change in 8 liters of milk value, right? That's why 4 parts worth is 8. 4 parts becoming 64 parts. 60 parts increased. I need to go for 60 parts. That's it. 4 1s are, 4 2s are, 62s are, 120 liters milk should be added. This is our answer. That's it. 120 liters milk should be added. This is a basic concept. Don't confuse all of you. Come again. 1:4 is the original ratio. After removing mixture also, it is 1:4. No change in ratio. Fine. 1:4 should be now 4:1. 4:1 is nothing but 6:4 according to our basic concept. We need to equate the milk part. Why? Because we are adding only water. But according to the given situation, the previous value is 12.5. After removing 20%, it will be 10 liters. Even though 2 parts water will be there, 4 parts milk will be there. Logically, water will be 2 liters, milk is 8 liters. Fine. And now the ratio becoming, after adding water, no change in milk. Milk will be 8 liters constant. So water will be becoming 32 liters. Okay, 16 parts worth is 32. 4 parts worth will be 8 liters. Again, the 16:4 should be reversed. 4:16. Logically, 16:4 should be 4:16. That's why I need to equate milk part, water part. Why? Because in the second case I need to increase only milk. That's why no change in water. I have equated water value. The requirement ratio is this one, but I need to convert it to like this for our comfort. The 16 common. That's why no change in water. Now we can go for the increment in milk. That's it. Answer will be 60 parts increment is there. 4 parts value already we have. That is 8 liters. So 60 parts worth will be 120 liters. This is a basic idea. Of course, we know logical way also, but little bit quite interesting. Don't confuse me.